Okay, guys, here is a trade setup for GainX 999, and of course, I will advise you to watch this so that you too can also benefit from this. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and of course, I love the if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, I saw this trade setup some minutes ago, and of course this actually got to the resistance zone and was unable to break out above it. So it switched into a downtrend and gave us the sell signal. So I quickly highlight um this setup for us. Okay, so this is the resistance zone, so I'm using it as the stop loss. And of course, since the trend has changed around here, so this happened to be the entry point, and I also highlighted some TPs for us. Okay, this is the TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, and TP5. Okay, so you can see it has achieved the first two TPs. Okay, so still going down to achieve the third and the fourth and the fifth one. Okay, so this is a good entry point for us if we are able to achieve this. Okay, so guys, that is how trend trading strategy works. Trend trading strategy is all about you um trying to identify the current trend of the market when it is going to switch like this, okay, from an uptrend into a downtrend. Then you should also be able to identify your resistance and your support zone. Then definitely you should know how to set up your orders just the way I have set up my trade right here. Okay, so this is very, very important. So here is also another one that I'm actually checking out. Okay, this is GainX 999. Okay, this happen to be the stop loss, okay, at the support region, then the entry point. Then I have some highlighted TPs here. Okay, so the first TP has been achieved, so we still have about 4 TPs which we can also achieve if this trade should go in our way. Okay, if it's not going to go in our way, then it will hit our stop loss, and that is very, very important. Okay, so and these are some of the things you too can also achieve with this. So quickly, let me explain further what the trend trading strategy is all about. Okay, the trend trading strategy is about you identifying the trend. I mean, you being able to trade along the line with the trend. Okay, so if the trend is on downtrend, then you must only focus on downtrend. So which means you only need to sell at that particular point. If the trend is an uptrend, then you only need to buy at that particular point. Okay, so this is very, very important. But what is more important is you being able to identify the trend or when the trend is switching from one trend to another, because it is at that point where it is switching that you will benefit more if you enter at that point. Okay, if you enter into the trade at that point, you are going to benefit more. The reason why you will be benefiting more is because it will give you an opportunity to trade right from the beginning of the trend till the very end. Okay, so this is very, very important. That is why I always look out for when the trend is switching from one trend into a new trend. Okay, so once I get that, and that is happening at the right zone, then definitely I jump into it and I set up my trade right from there. Okay, so just the way we are having here, this was an uptrend before, but when it got to the resistance zone, it was unable to break out from the resistance zone. So I had to wait for it to switch into a downtrend. So at this point, it switched back into a downtrend. You can see from yellow color to red color, and immediately that happened, I had to wait for the sell signal to pop out, which is the red arrow. And when it popped out, then definitely I set up my trades. Okay, so that is the only thing I need to set up my trade. I set up my trade, set up my stop loss, and of course I like my TPs, and of course that is all I need to do. So once that is done, then I allow it to play out and see what I can achieve from there at the end of the day. So this is how beautiful this strategy is, and anyone can actually put it into use. All you just need to do is just for you to learn how it works and how you too can put it into use. I will be stopping right here. I want to believe you've learned one of two things in today's video. In case you are joining me for the first time and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. And if you have any question at all, you can drop your question in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Thank you and God bless you.